Same paycheck. Same Monday. But right here, everything splits. Path, the builder. Jordan's first paycheck hits. Instead of celebrating, Jordan opens a retirement account. Balance, zero. $200 a month. Automated. Jordan never sees it leave. Path B, the spender. Riley gets the same paycheck. Buys a car on a 72-month loan. Premium trim. Optional. By year one, Riley has $200 saved. And credit card debt already growing. Jordan gets a raise. Doesn't upgrade life. Upgrades the investment instead. The market drops. Jordan watches the balance fall. Then, buys more. Riley gets the same raise. Upgrades the apartment. Buys a couch on buy now pay later. Forgets when it ends. The gap opens. Jordan, nearly $10,000 invested. No debt. Riley, $4,000 in debt. Almost nothing saved. If you're finding this useful, subscribe. More content like this, every week. Jordan, age 27, closes on a duplex. Both units rented. Net cash flow, over $600 a month. Riley, same age, leases a new car. Didn't read the termination clause. Again. Jordan, nearly $70,000 invested. Real estate producing cash every month. Riley, age 30, cashed out retirement savings to survive a bad month. Net worth, negative. The distance between them at 30, $148,000. Net worth, over $1 million. Properties producing cash. Options, expanding. Net worth under $60,000. Rent rising every year. Floor thin. Same paycheck. Same Monday. One redirected $187 before the weekend. The other one didn't. The Tuesday after that decision still came. For both of them. It always does.